So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. This is a Uber driver who made $2,300 in a single week. Holy smokes, guys. This is crazy. This Uber driver, hold up. There we go. This Uber driver made $2,300 in a single week driving for Uber. Ended the week strong. Thinks $600 a day and $2,800 a week is possible. So he thinks he can make $2,800 a week, which if we just do some quick math on that, guys, $2,800 a week times 52 weeks, that's $145,000 a year. That's crazy. So let's take a look at this. What was this one? $501. Oh, hey.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Sorry about that.
Oh, no, you're chilling. You're back.
Yeah. Can you share your screen with me? Oh, thanks.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, we were just talking about this Uber driver who made $2,300 in a single week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this guy shared it in our Facebook group.
Do they drive regular like Uber X, or is this like Comfort or Uber Black?
I don't know. That's a good question. He doesn't say. He's in NorCal.
Oh, that makes sense. I feel like people get paid more there being Uber and
Yeah, like San Francisco.
yeah.
Oh, he has a Tesla, he says. Oh, he does.
Oh.
You're right. He does X and Comfort.
Oh.
So it's not even Uber Black or Uber XL. It's just Comfort and X. So it's like Comfort is barely above X.
Do they not do Uber Green anymore? Like we get paid $1 more?
I don't think so. I think they ended that last year.
Oh. What the heck?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. But yeah, I mean this is Uber Comfort, guys. So like, yeah, like I said, Uber Comfort is usually only a little bit more than regular. So like, I would be interested to see how many of these are tips. I'm sure this guy's like really good, like really nice professional driver. Like, I'm sure like I wouldn't be surprised if like $500 of this was tips.
Yeah.
Your Saturday is weak. Somebody said, yeah, he did have a really low Saturday. He said he took the day off pretty much. But then he said if he can do $600 a day, his goal is $2,800 a week. Which honestly seems, well, the most he ever made was 500, so that seems kind of unreasonable.
Wait, he made 1,000 in 2 days.
Yeah, literally.
That's insane.
That is insane. Wait. So if he did 500 a day for 7 days, that would be $3,500. Right?
Dang, yeah. But maybe he wanted like the weekends off, like to like a 5-day week.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. It looks like he's driving all day long, but yeah, I would
I wouldn't be surprised if this guy broke $3 grand in a week, one week, if he just went crazy, because he's doing something good. He's in a really good market for sure.
Yeah.
Comment down below, what's the most you've ever made in a week of Uber driving? Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.